the 1930s. Welcome to Napier. The reason that feels that we went back in time is because in 1931 there was this huge earthquake here in Napier, destroyed the city, and then they rebuilt it in a theme that was popular at the time, Art Deco. So that's why it feels that we travelled back in time. That's my kind of street. We came to visit Napier's museum. It's free admission, plus you get to dress up from like the 1930s. In the museum you've got Maori artifacts and you can learn a little bit about the history that happened here with the earthquake in 1931. It was a 7.8 magnitude earthquake. Christian is gonna drive in New Zealand for the first time.
Hello.
I've got me seatbelt. We are just leaving Napier. All right, confident? Mirrors?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to put first gear?
It is.
Oh. Slowly, slowly lah. There we go. You what? Just a bit on the side road maybe? Okay, better now. I'm gonna take this out. Feels weird being on this side. We said our goodbyes to Napier. I really enjoyed the city as it was a stylish vintage city, which I really enjoy. I love vintage stuff. Good vibes over there. Really enjoyed. Now we're gonna hit the road. Let's enjoy the ride together. Eyes on the road.
Oh, I missed driving on this side.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
You feel more confident driving on the left side, don't you?
On this side, yes. Because that's where I driven the most time. When we were in England, I took my driving license in Portugal, but then we went to England a couple of months after that. So I drove more there than in Portugal. So I have more experience driving on the left side than on the right side. And I enjoy it the most as well.
Yeah, I have to admit, she is a good driver.
I'm not good at parking though.
In England, she drove better than me, have to admit.
I'm not good at parking.
Yeah, parking is a bit so-so. Oh, Maori stuff.
Now you can enjoy the views for a change. Because usually it's just me looking.
We're gonna do, I think, 150 kilometers, more or less. We're gonna drive to the center of New Zealand. Mount Doom. Have you heard about Mount Doom? Well, Mount Doom is in the Lord of the Rings, but in real life it's called something else which I don't know.
Very hard to pronounce, I'm guessing.
But that's where we are driving, direction to Mount Doom. Looks so fluffy. It's all about the journey. Beautiful landscape. Changed already 3-4 times. Enjoying driving?
Yes, very much. And we have arrived to our destination for the night, and look at the view. It's gorgeous.
Nice mountain.
It is gorgeous. It's full of snow, and this is where we're going to be packed up for the night, because tomorrow we're going to be doing the desert road trip, which is supposed to be really nice because we're gonna have the view of the mountain all the way. Usually people do it from north to south, but we are going to do it from south to north.
But we should still have
half, I think, until
cool views.
Yeah, I think until like maybe midway we still have the view of it, at least in front of us on the side, and then after that it's going to be behind us. But do not worry, because then we have another road trip coming up, another cool road, but that's going to be on another video as well. This is it for today. It was Napier and here.
Yeah, it was a very short video, but sometimes things are like that.
Yeah, it was just a random one really. We just walked around Napier and then we drove to this spot to spend the night. There was not much really to show you guys.
Yeah, there was not much to share, so
yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed still, and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you in the next one.
peace.